In order to upgrade transportation, enhance quality of life and economic expansion, the government aims at improving rail-based transportation in the country. The Bangsar Grand Station will become a railway hub for national and international transportation. Spanning over 2,325 rai of land, areas surrounding the Bangsar Grand Station will soon become prime locations in accordance with Transit-Oriented Development (TOD) model objectives. Transit-Oriented Development (TOD). TOD uses interchanges or stations for encouraging local people within a proximity of 500 to 1,000 meters to use mass transportation systems or to opt for non-motorized transport modes. As a prime area, easily accessible to various rail mass transit systems, as well as road and expressway networks, it is located amidst important sites. Thus, it could attract additional investors for joint commercial development. In the future, it is expected that rail-based passengers in the area will hover around 1 million persons per day, while the centre will accommodate approximately 100,000 people. The Minister of Transport designated the Office of Transport and Traffic Policy and Planning to conduct a development plan under the vision of a new business hub of ASEAN. It will become a compact inner city with enhanced livability, a healthy environment and eco-friendly transport modes. The Bangsar Grand Station is the centerpiece of the entire project. The preliminary master plan for land utilization is divided into 4 types in accordance with the TOD concept. 1. The TOD urban core is the center of activities and development in the zone. It provides the dense commercial cum residential zone. 2. The TOD urban center is the mixed-use and high-density commercial zone. 3. The TOD general area is a commercial zone that integrates housing units with business ventures. 4. The TOD edge is a residential zone that also accommodates commercial activities. Development of the Skywalk Corridor. To encourage people to use more public and non-motorized transport, it is essential to develop a Skywalk Corridor to connect all areas in Zone D, which comprises the East-West Skywalk Corridor connecting the Bangsar Grand Station with BTS Morshit Station and MRT Chatuchak Station. This elevated walkway is 6 meters wide and 1,270 meters long, covering a total area of 7,620 square meters. An at-grade walkway connects the zone in north-south axis between buildings, recreational gardens, and activity areas. Commercial development. With an area of about 80 rai, Zone D has high potential for commercial development as a junction for commuting and other activities to generate funding for construction, management and maintenance of the walkway, with 3 development subzones. Zone D1 will comprise hotels, offices and retail business. Zone D2 will encompass offices for rent, fitness centers, restaurants and retail outlets. Zone D3 will become a retail and entertainment business area, comprising restaurants, show business and sports arenas, hotels and small offices. Leasehold and service apartments shall be developed here. Investment approaches. Development of the Skywalk Corridor and Zone D shall be implemented by the private sector, with support and facilitation as necessary from the public sector. Development of feeder transport services. To provide more convenience, each zone will be connected by a feeder system in the form of BRT exclusive lanes, which will offer services covering the entire project with 16 stations. Running on the existing road networks, its traffic lanes will be developed into exclusive lanes. At the same time, bus stops and maintenance depots will be constructed. The BRT will obtain traffic privileges for the exclusive lanes and prioritise traffic signals to facilitate the BRT service. The bus and stations will be equipped and installed with universal design solutions to facilitate all commuters. The BRT maintenance depot will be located on Kampang Pet 2 Road near the bus terminal of the Transport Company Limited. Comprising an area of about 8.6 rai, it will be able to provide parking for 20 buses. Scheduled for operation in the year 2022, the BRT service will initially target 33,400 daily passengers, leading to 100,000 within the year 2037. BRT's investment approaches, this BRT project shall be implemented by the public sector for infrastructural construction. The private sector shall invest in material procurement and bus operations. Environmental impact assessment and initial environmental examination are prerequisites before project implementation, in accordance with laws covering, among others, air quality, surface water quality, noise and vibration. Water drainage and sewage systems will be provided, as well as a wastewater treatment system. Sound methods for solid waste disposal are also defined for efficient waste management. Public relations activities will be conducted in parallel with public participation and external sector involvement. The Project Appraisal Report, in accordance with the Private Investments in State Undertakings Act 2013, can be submitted in 2016. Followed by selection of private investors, the project can commence in 2019 and begin service in 2022. This is the prototype of the transit-oriented development concept in Thailand. This sustainable model of transport can help to enhance quality of life and promote transport-supportive commercial zones, the ultimate goal of the Pahon Yotin Centre.